How to track delivery updates for Alibaba.com. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you step-by-step steps that you can follow up to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, we can log in into Alibaba.com and we can go to the order section. So for that, look out for your profile option in the top right corner and click on it and select the option of My Alibaba to open up My Alibaba page here. Now within the section, we can head over to the order section. On our left hand side menu, we should be finding different options. So select this option called orders, and that should open up your order space. Now from the section, what we need to do is we need to find the specific orders and click on the option called order details. And within order details, you should be finding different options. You can go to the delivery and logistics section there. And when you head over there, you will be seeing the tracking number, the shipping company, and the real-time shipment status. Here, Alibaba allows you to track your shipment in real time once it is shipped. If you already have a tracking number, you can go to different sites such as FedEx or anything else and go ahead and look out for this section where you can track your package. You just need to enter up your number and go ahead and click on this option called track via FedEx or any other sites, and you will be seeing the full delivery updates, the location, customs, delivery time, etc. Apart from that, you can also look out for your messages here, and within messages you can go ahead and find a supplier inbox if you have, and they should send you the tracking number, shipping updates, and the delay notice as well. And sometimes it may understand tracking status, meaning sometimes they have different kind of status. You can just go and look out for the status. Tracking usually appears after 1 to 3 days after shipping. You should actively monitor tracking to catch delays or issues early. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. For now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.